welcome to today's class. The difference between complete and finish. We all know that complete and finish are regular verbs. Means if we add ed or d in the tense forms, the verbs are called as regular verbs. Let's observe the tense forms: complete, completed, completed, finish, finished, finished. We add d for complete and ed for this finish. Okay, so these are regular verbs. But if we observe the difference between complete and verb, it's complete is used for their long sense. The complete is used in the sense of entire, total, whole, or to fulfill. That means the complete is used in the sense of long usage. Whereas finish is used in the sense of conclude, end, or to come to an end. This is the phonic form of complete. Complete, we will have the stress here in the second syllable, and finish, we will have the stress in the first syllable. For example, if we give some examples to the children, or if we give some tasks in the question paper, we will ask that complete the following paragraph. Complete the following paragraph means we have to complete it totally. We have to fulfill the paragraph in entirely. Okay? He needed to complete his life. He's a wife. All he needed to complete his life is a wife. తన లైఫ్ కంప్లీట్ కావాలి అంటే తనకు ఒక వైఫ్ కావాలి. దట్ మీన్స్ టు మేక్ హిస్ లైఫ్ హోల్ హీ నీడెడ్ ఏ వైఫ్. Okay, so in the sense of whole we use complete here. In other ways we can write this sentence: his wife completed his life. That means she fulfilled his life. She gave a complete meaning to his life. Okay, have you completed your work? We will ask in the classroom. Have you completed your work? Have you completed your homework? Have you completed your task? Have you completed your notebook? That means you have to complete it totally. Okay, the construction will take 10 years to complete. All the walls, bricks, painting works, electricity works, complete. In a complete sense we are using this sentence. Okay, so it takes 10 years to complete. And this man is a complete fool. Here complete is an adjective, because observe this sentence: this man is a complete fool. Fool is a noun and complete is modifying the noun. So here complete acts as adjective. It means completely fool. He is totally fool. The sense of total and whole we are using complete. And finish. The form of finish is finish. Finish, we have the stress in the first syllable. Finish is used in the sense of conclude, end, or to come to an end. For example, he finished second. He finished second means that he had participated in a race or an attempt, but he got the second prize, not the first prize. అతను రేస్లో పాల్గొన్నాడు, అటెంప్ట్ చేశాడు, తన ప్రయత్నం బాగానే చేశాడు, కానీ ఫస్ట్ ప్రైజ్ రాకుండా సెకండ్ వచ్చింది. అంటే యాక్టివిటీ అయితే అయిపోయింది, ద యాక్టివిటీ ఈస్ కంప్లీటెడ్, బట్ హీ గాట్ ద సెకండ్ ర్యాంక్. ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ వి యూస్ ఫినిష్డ్. అంటే యాక్టివిటీ ఈజ్ ఎండెడ్ బట్ నాట్ కంప్లీట్లీ. Understand? She finished the program with her song. That means the program ended with her song. The program come to an end with her song. ప్రోగ్రాంలో మెనీ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి, కానీ ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎండ్ అయింది మాత్రం ఒక సాంగ్తో. అండర్స్టాండ్? సో ఎండింగ్ ఇవ్వడం అనేది ఇక్కడ ఫినిష్ అనేది మనం యూస్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, హ్యావ్ యూ ఫినిష్ ద బుక్? హ్యావ్ యూ ఫినిష్ ద బుక్ మీన్స్ ఈజ్ ద బుక్ కమ్ టు అన్ ఎండ్? ఆ బుక్ చదవడం ఎండింగ్కి వచ్చిందా? That's why we use have you finished your work? Have you finished your book? Okay, next, make sure she finishes her dinner. Make sure she finishes her dinner. తన డిన్నర్ ఎండ్కి వచ్చిందా లేదా అని ఎంక్వైరీ చేయడం. దట్ మీన్స్ ఈజ్ ద డిన్నర్ కమ్ టు అన్ ఎండ్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఎండ్కి వచ్చిందా లేదా ఎంక్వైరీ చేయండి. లెట్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద సేమ్ సెంటెన్స్ విత్ దీస్ టూ వర్డ్స్. హీ ఫినిష్డ్ హిస్ స్టడీస్. హీ కంప్లీటెడ్ హిస్ స్టడీస్. హీ ఫినిష్డ్ హిస్ స్టడీస్ మీన్స్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఇంజనీర్, ద 4 years course, he completed his engineering means he completed all the subjects. That means he passed all the subjects, he passed all the project works, he had attempted everything in his 4 years course. That means including all the subjects, examinations, project works, everything is completed in this word. But he finished means just the course is finished. There may be some pendings, there may be some exams. Okay, so finished means just the 4-year course is finished. Completed means all the examinations, 4-year course, pendings, everything is completed. Understand? He completed the building. That That means in the sense of whole we are taking. He completed the building means he completed everything, including painting, was electricity, constructions, everything. He finished the walls. That means a part of a construction. In the sense of part we are using finished. Okay, and we have a joke regarding these two words. If you marry a right one, your life is completed. If you marry a wrong one, your life is finished. Understand? If you marry a right one, your life is completed. That means your life is fulfilled. If you marry a wrong one, your life is finished. Your life come to an end. Understand? I hope you like this video much. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, like and share this video to your friends and family members. Thank you.